Let's see how you can send view once photos and videos on WhatsApp using your iPhone or Android. First, open up your WhatsApp and go into the chat where you want to send the picture or video. Now hit the camera icon on the bottom. Then press the gallery icon to pick the photo or video you want. Once you have picked your media, you will notice a small one icon show up next to the send button. Just go ahead and click that icon. A short message will pop up saying this photo or video can be viewed only once for privacy reasons. But make sure to select only one at a time. If you choose more than one, this won't work. After that, you will see a note saying photo set to view once. Now hit send and that's it. The person you are chatting with will be able to see it just once and then it's gone for good. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.